the lookup is in front of Celestine. I forgot the name. Remind me in the comments below what is that. Wow, that thing is so strong. My health is at 200. I'm hitting them with the X. Okay. Combo. This is a lot of shit. I haven't seen so many shit since I played this game. Okay. And guys, for the last time, this is my first video. If you don't like it, let me know in the comments below. If you like it, like and subscribe. If you don't like it, you can like it. If you don't like it, wait. If you guys like the video, subscribe. If you don't like it, like. And comment below. And these are a lot of wool I got. If you guys wanna play the release one, the one that is on the anime, not the blocky parts, the one with the real Goku face and the real Goku body. That thing. If you guys want me to play that, I will play it also. What happened, you know? The game's always lags. So press B. Airboxing. Yes. Oh no, forgot. Yes. Forgot.